A bookmark may seem small and simple, but it holds a quite kind of magic. It's special because it marks not just a page but a moment where you left off in the story, a thought that intrigued you, or a feeling that stayed with you. So, in many ways, a bookmark is a companion. Hello friends, my name is Mohini Sinha and I am an acrylic and gouache artist and also a camel art ambassador. So this class is specially designed for bookmarks with beautiful quotes in it. So it will be a 30 days class with a landscape painting in Boho style. So anyone can try it out, even the beginners. So come and paint along with me this beautiful and bright, vibrant bookmarks.